Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome to the video. My name is Bradley, also known as the Swim Coach. Today we are opening up 4 packs, the Scarlet and Violet section, and it is the Twilight Masquerade. Okay, that is what we're opening up today. Let's see what we get in these 4 packs. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So, pack number 1. Okay. One pack, one card. Turn it over. Let's just see. We've got Leafeon and a gold. Oh, no, oh, I thought that was the last card. We've got something here, guys. Look at that card. Look at that. That looks nice. In a little sleeve. And we'll just put it on the side there for a moment. But that does look like a nice little card. Come on. Yeah, so we've got a nice little pack opening. Just only 4 little cards. But we'll see. How these 4 cards go. One card. We have a lovely electric energy. We love some of these old feel of the cards. The design. Love it. Like I was jumping up there. Oof. Okay. Come on. Nice. There we go. What we got? We're going to go, I'm going to go water. We're all wrong. Oh, look at that. Vulpix having a little bit of a sleep there. Eevee. I love my Eevees. We've got something. Have something. Oh my. That's a lovely card. And we've got another one behind it. Oh my god, we've got both of them. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at that. Definitely leaving those up. That is a lovely, getting both of them as well. Are we going to get the water this time? What do we think? Oh, no, we got psychic. Time. Oh. That's a nice little Zapdos there. Very nice. Now, I'm going to quickly change on the sleeves. Wrong type in there. So, ladies and gentlemen, we managed to get one here. That looks so nice. That does look nice. But nice little base Zapdos there. Nice, lovely bird. Oh, that looks way out. Look at that. Look at that. That is way out. No. Same on the Zapdos. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. That centering's way off. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. That is bad centering. Oh my god. I've even got it on here as well. No. Yeah, look. Look at that. Oh my god. The way out. Yeah. Oh no. Even here. Not as bad, but you can still see the difference. No. That's a 9. Maybe even an 8. 8 on centering. Maybe even worse. No. But, ladies and gentlemen, bit of a shame. But we did pull some lovely little cards here. Shame about their centering. But that's sometimes what happens in cards or in trading cards. So for now, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely time. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.